So this Ford's got the 2-liter turbo. This one needs a transmission mount, which sits right in this area right here. But unfortunately, as you can see, you can't get to this area right here. So everything on top of it has to go. You're on my head because I need to get this done fast. So let's get started. Each one of these are 15 millimeter. Now, anytime that you don't find a single video on YouTube about something, you know it's going to be a royal pain in the butt. So this is not going to be fun. Put your nuts back whenever you can, or bolts back, so because when you start removing a lot of stuff, you don't want to lose that. Now we're going to start with 8 millimeter bolts. That one's missing. And because Ford just wants to make me mad, T25 Torx instead of just normal bolts. Yeah, just to be annoying, that's what they did. So, like I said, we're gonna put these back, put everything back where you got it, so that way you don't lose them. I'll just set these right there. We know where that goes. So yeah, that frees up a lot of space though. It's nice. Get rid of all that. You got to change your battery. Here's how you do it. 10 millimeter. Kind of locked on there. Okay. Okay, there we go. Tuck that away. See, I'm just trying to think here. I don't know if it's absolutely necessary to remove that. I mean, it probably is. I don't know. Let's get rid of this and see what we're looking at before we get too crazy tearing apart stuff that we don't necessarily need. Okay, switching back to 8s. There's that. One down here. One right here. Oh, and of course one way down there. Because it's not really necessary, because it's just plastic holding on an air bottle. Thinking someone needs a new air filter. Look at that. Okay. Okay, put it back on. So to get this out, all right, I'm gonna get flathead. Okay, down here in this corner, come in at an angle. Flathead screwdriver to get this connector or clamp released. Just lefty loosey. Again, I've never done this before, so we're just going to take this apart one section at a time to see what's necessary and what's not. Okay. So that's out. Plastic clip. Coming out. Let's take this. Look at that fancy stuff. There we go. So it's not bolted down, it's just plastic and rubber grommets. Okay. Now let's take, oh man, I gotta remove this whole battery. It's sitting smack dab right there. Okay, that's okay. We kind of had a thought. We figured that was gonna happen. That. That. And of course, this thing doesn't have a strap. Is there anything tying it down or no? Okay, so I can slide it back this way. No handles. Oh, that'd have been a lot easier with handles. All right. Here's a couple 10 millimeters. There's a third one right here. And I'm seeing this right here. And there's also all this stuff strapped to it. Oh, there's a lot of stuff strapped to this box. Oh man. Why would they do that? So yes, it's not just, you can't just remove this box. I mean, there's 10 millimeter right here. Come on. Okay, 10 millimeter there. There's a 14 millimeter. Come off. Okay, yep, that's connected to the box. All right, put that back on. And then, oh, what is this? Oh, this is just a Christmas tree fastener right here. Holding that on, this part right here. Okay, we're getting somewhere. That's not connected. Oh, here's another Christmas tree fasteners right here. Okay, and another one right here. And now we got this little device. One Christmas tree fastener, and they got a Torx bolt. Come on, man. And if we're lucky, it's the same T25. It was the same T25. All right, good. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna try to take off this little panel right here. Or maybe this just all comes apart like that. There. So that computer comes off the front and this whole box comes out. So cool. This is all still good. Put this to the side. And that brings us to... Alright, so I do have the bottom of the transmission supported. And 15 millimeters. One nut. There's two. Three. There's four. All right. Now we are down to the troublemaker right here. Oh yeah, it's completely separated, which I'm going to show you here in a second. All right, so it goes like this. See what that size is. All right, so with a 3/4 or a 19 millimeter, whichever one's your pleasure. We're going to slowly remove that bolt. I know I see a couple smaller ones. Yeah, you definitely want to go slow. Jack it up the transmission tiny bit right now. Give it a little bit more support. As you can tell, I think you can tell it's rising. There. You don't just want to give it the beans right away, just in case. You know, just in case that because you don't want this to drop down. That's the worst. That's the last thing you want it to do. Oh my God! Look how broke that is. Now I'm thinking we're going to use an 8. Yeah, we're going to use this 8 millimeter. Take this off. Okay. And then we're going to switch it over. But side by side, here's what they look like. You can tell all of this is completely broke compared to this. And if you look at this far side, it's all nice and intact and solid, where this one is no longer connected. Look at this bottom side. Oh, that's the best way to do it. Look at the bottom side. Alright, so the positive part about filming is I forgot which way to orientate this, but I rewatched the video to figure out it's lip facing the back, flat side forward. Okay. Okay, make sure there's nothing underneath here. Okay. There. Now let's re-add this bracket. Back in there. Line the holes up. Alright, so short one goes up front. Short one goes in the middle. Long one goes in the back. Okay, now take this. This little bracket right there. Piece that back. Perfect. Now don't put your battery in backwards. You will not be very happy with yourself if you do that. Negative goes in the back. This is your positive. We're going to put right there. I'm not going to put my negative battery terminal back yet because I have a bunch of other stuff I got to do first. Like these Christmas tree fasteners that go right here. And here. And here. That one's kind of bent, but we still make it work. There's that. Here's this little 10mm right here. Goes there. Perfect. And if I remember correctly, this one's a 14mm. There we go, it's 13. But that's okay, it's on there. Tight enough. Alright, so I didn't touch anything down here. All this stuff is good. There, and then here's another Christmas tree fastener right there. Alright, yeah, everything's plugged back in. So now we got to figure out this whole pain in the butt airbox situation. So, now this goes here. Tuck this wire hose back there. Okay, just so we know this goes here. If you guys can even see what I'm talking about. Okay, that goes there. This air hose, I wish I would have remembered which way it went, but I do not. So we'll hope it goes like this. Maybe not. Yep, okay, so it goes like this. And this little ledge goes back there because it sticks in that peg. It's underneath this wire. Okay, so that one back there's in that corner. This one's here. This one lines up with that like so. This one hooks that through there. So I don't think these line up very well, and I guess that's why this strap is up here. That's what I'm thinking, because yeah, it doesn't line up very well. Okay, so that's on there. I'm gonna at least blow the blow the dust out of it. Should be breathing a little bit easier. There. Okay. Rotate that around till it pops. One thing I did forget was to put this one back. I can hear you guys yelling at me now, so I'm going to leave that Torx bolt out. But I am going to put that Christmas tree fastener in there. So at least has one. Because I'm not taking that thing off and putting it all back again. I'm trying to get you guys back there to see it. There, it's in. Like I said, I'm not going to take that back off. It's okay. So this is kind of fun. So we have to line these pegs up with these slots and put the lip underneath here all at the same time. Which this is no different than any other vehicle. That's mostly how most of these trim pieces, whatever the heck they're called, is. See, you gotta slide it up and then push those in all at the same time. Okay. Perfect. Nice. So far, we'll snap those back on with the ones I did not drop. Okay, I'm gonna go find the rest underneath that pan. Okay, so what I learned was this side right here, hold it still, because this needs to go up a tiny bit. Lock that down. Okay, hold this passenger side still. There. Let's make this one go down a little bit more. Let's see how it looks now. Come on. Okay, this one's lining up perfectly. That one's hitting this one. Stop it. Let's see if rest position. All right, let's make another adjustment. Now that looks much better. They're no longer touching. Left one's clearing everything, right one's clearing everything. Okay, beautiful. I'll lock them down one final time after I confirm that it stops nice. Oh, perfect. All right, so that's it. That is how you replace the transmission mount. It's okay, I thought that was gonna be bad since, again, when you usually don't see any YouTube videos out there, that means people don't really want to film it. So, yeah, actually that was not terrible. So, hope you like this video. If you do, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.